I just love an all-you-can-stomach dessert bar.
Me too. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Waffle ice cream, berry buster with extra whipped sprinkles and anything else we can dump on it, party!
What a puny dessert. Just like you monkeys.
Loser mini monkeys!
Oh, Wally, give me a hand here. We can't let those knuckle-dragging boneheads beat us at anything.
Even dessert?
Especially dessert.
You're right. Let's do this.
Pink, ice cream, so far, frozen cow, cocoa mustards, caramel carburetor. Shore up that butterscotch fountain right now. I want jelly beans, jelly beans, jelly beans. This is a magnificent ice cream creation. Bigger, more bigger, bigger. Ta-da!
The Hyperatomic Belly Buster Blaster Supreme! Beat that, Rillas!
I still say puny!
Just like your scrawny monkeys! Go, Looks like you just got whipped creamed!
Why, you little...
Does anyone else hear that beeping?
Oh, hi, Tina. I hope you've been well. You look nice. Any chance that you've seen my monkeys?
Yeah. That way. Here's their bill.
Oh, my bolts. Hi. 2,510 sniggets, 2,520 sniggets. That should do it. Okay, you know what? Just take it all.
I'm the prettiest, the pinkiest, nowhere near the dinkiest. Pinky, winky, 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 what is going on in there? Give me that!
We're in some kind of horrible, disgusting, squishy creature. I can't take it.
Hey, it's Pinky Winky.
Puny Woony's more like it.
The name is Pinky Winky, you big baboon! Me next! Me next!
No offense, but aren't you usually kind of big,
Huge,
lumpy,
colossal,
moist?
kinda sweaty. That's the outside me. This is the real me. Pinky Winky flashback! When I was little, I was always picked on. Teeny weeny. Oh, that hurt my feelings. So, I built a giant exoskeleton. Very big word. And crushed those mean girls to death. Since then, I've lived happily ever after inside my own fake body, stomping and crushing, crushing and stomping. You know, it's a good life.
We get teased too. Mostly Wally. Hygiene.
Hey! You know, I've never really told anyone that story before. Please don't tell anyone else. It's my most private, deepest, darkest secret.
Her most private, deepest, darkest secret.
And
Send.
What? That's it! From now on, you're both staying in here! You know, for a dungeon that we'll be trapped in for all eternity, it's not so bad. Love the gorilla pillows. Oh.
Something bad's happening here!
Okay, here's the plan. Wally and I will climb up the spiky wall and escape back to our ship. And after a light lunch and a nap, we'll send for help.
But we'll be crushed! Skewered!
That's a risk I'm willing to take. Electrical spikes. New plan.
Hey! Keep it down in there!
Hello, Miss Winky. According to my odorometer, my rocket monkeys are here somewhere. Have you smelled them?
No, I have not. You better recheck your smello thingy. It's out of whack.
It's not possible. This smellograph tells a story, actually. If one day the rocket monkey Wally is represented by an X, as Wally's smell increases, Gus's smell is increasing as well.
I have an idea. Gorilla, throw me up to the ceiling.
Why should we listen to a puny runt like you?
We may be puny, but we have tails. And at least one of us has a brain.
Just do it, Humphrey.
Close enough.
Okay, seriously this time.
Ooh, I'm not gonna sit right after this.
My odorometer is detecting Rocket Monkey Wally's aftershave. But,
But what?
no, that's the name of the aftershave, actually, called Bat.
I don't smell no monkeys nowhere. Unless they're under this rock over here.
Nope, no Gus, no Wally. But thank you for helping.
Oopsie! Whew, that was a close one.
Thanks for the help back there.
Come on, this way.
Nuh-uh, girlfriend. You're not going anywhere.
We're gonna be monkey crisp.
Help us! Specifically me! Help me!
If I'm gonna die, I'm going out smelling like butt.
Yeah, thanks. I was... whatever.
We could have done it, but you got in the way.
We gotta get out of here before they get close!
May I recommend an antacid?
Please! Let this be the mouth!
Definitely not the mouth. My giant robot suit! Oh, now everybody's gonna know my secret! Hey, look! It's Teeny Weeny! Puny Woony! Itty bitty!
Looks like Pinky Winky needs a hand.
What do you say, Rillas?
Thanks, guys! You make a great team!
I guess if we've learned anything from being trapped with you monkeys inside a giant robot belly, it's that Puny and Big can work together. Who knew?
So true. So true.
Hit it!
Big and small, strong
was good.
We didn't really write anything else.
No, that's pretty much it.
Looks at what I got for my very special robot. That is why I say, on Robot Appreciation Day, thank you very, 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 very much alive.
Robot slap down, robot! Smash! Smash! It's funny, because robots have no feelings.
Hello, Rocket Monkeys. Did I hear you celebrating a certain special day? You know what today is, right?
Is it stop interrupting us when we're trying to play our game day?
Is it why are you standing there when you could be making me a sandwich day?
Come on, Wally.
No, it is Robot Appreciation Day.
Zargles!
How could we forget today of all days?
We love our robots!
Look what I got for you.
Today, I will let you play me.
This is not possible. This must be some type of setup, type of joke. I hope Kit Monkeys appreciate me. They always have. And I'm hoping that they always will.
Come on, Wally.
Those flashbacks clearly indicate that I am not their Robo bestie. They do not appreciate me. If only there was something else I could do with my Robo life.
Are you an underappreciated robot interested in the exciting career of taking care of someone else, mainly me, a mysterious stranger? Then come be my Robo Butler today!
No, I couldn't do it. My Rocket Monkeys would miss me too much. New job, here I come. I tell you, this is it. This is where my new life begins, huh? Where my new boss will appreciate my loyal Robo service.
You're that robot sidekick to those awful monkeys!
You! I cannot work for you. You want to destroy my precious monkeys.
Destroy them? Okay, sure, who wouldn't? The lazy little brats. They're worse than when you eat your... Wait, this sandwich, pure genius.
Compliment? Oh, how my audio processors have longed to hear those words. Do you like it, really?
It's amazing, the lettuce, so crispy. Do I taste lemon?
I know, it has a certain type of zest. Thank you. The Rocket Monkeys do not know the word appreciation. There are so many words they don't know. Like flash, hygiene, please wash your hands after you touch that. What?
I feel your pain. Come in, friend.
You okay? I think I got soap in my eye. Where's you okay?
He seems to be taking his sweet robo time getting here. I had to dress myself. I think I did a pretty good job of it.
This is a message for my Rocket Monkeys. You do not appreciate me. I have run away to explore the exciting and wonderful world of being a Robo Butler.
I'm shocked. A Robo Butler?
What? Seriously, what's a butler?
So, Yayokay's left us. Hurt, pain, yes. But we don't need him. We can run this ship all by ourselves. It looks worse than it is. Wally,
Yeah, Gus?
I miss Yayokay.
Me too. And not just because he fed us and washed us and the rocket didn't explode as much when he was here. We treated our robot like total poop. And not the good kind.
That's for sure. Hi, bro.
Maybe I should go back to my rocket monkeys just to check on the little fur bags.
Surprise! It's Happy Robot Appreciation Makeup Day! #1 robot. It would make me the happiest non-banana looking alien in the universe if you would agree to stay and be my Robo Butler forever.
Well, I tell you, quite an appealing offer, but I'm just, Lord Peel, it would be my honor to be your #1 Robo Butler. Relax, I'll get it.
We're hungry!
Oh, please, you okay?
Okay.
Come back.
Please come back.
My bum is
We're
so
so lost
covered in
without you.
some kind of
I
soil.
need to be...
Rocket monkeys! How did you find me?
You left a trail of Robo tears.
You big baby, you! Give us a hug!
Monkey mitts off my Robo Butler!
What the what? Banana Man!
I am not a banana! Never mind! Yay-okay is my butler now, so shoo! Bye-bye! Ta-ta! Oh, go! That way! Thanks for dropping by!
But Banana Man, we can't go. Seriously, we can't go anywhere. I've got it. If I know bananas, I'll bet all we have to do is ask for Yay-okay real nice-like, and he'll agree.
Sounds easy. Can we have Yay-okay back?
No!
Can we have Yay-okay back?
No!
Can we have Yay-okay back?
No!
Can we have Yay-okay back?
No! What part of no don't you understand? It's a tiny word!
Can we have Yay-okay back? Can we have Yay-okay back? Can we have Yay-okay back? Can we have Yay-okay back?
No! No! You can't have Yay-okay back! You can't have Yay-okay back! All I wanted was some peace and quiet. I moved to the other side of the galaxy to avoid you two. But do I get a break? No! You're ruining my life!
Yay! When do we get him back? Now?
Is now a good time?
Is now a good time?
How about now?
How about now?
Now.
How about I destroy you? How about that? Huh? How about that? How about that? How about that? All right, this one's pretty self-explanatory, but just in case. Step 1, I hang you two ridiculous monkeys upside down. Step 2, I lower you into the snapping jaws of this hungry croco beast. Step 3, well, no, that's pretty much it.
Hey! Even from here, you still look like a banana.
Oh, yeah. Hilarious.
I brought the refreshments for my... Robo says, what are you doing to my monkeys?
They started it! I told them no, but they wouldn't listen. Would you?
Nope.
Not at all.
Yay, okay, look at me. You're my butler. Tell them to butt out.
Look, Robo, I drew this picture to represent the deepness of our complex relationship.
And I put together a special Brobot tribute with puppets.
We're sorry, Brobot.
It doesn't matter. I forgive my monkey friends. I love the monkeys with their faces and tails and monkey problems.
Stop it. Don't be fooled by that sentimental drivel. That lack of talent. They don't appreciate you. I do. I gave you a medal. Remember? #1 robot.
I tell you, this is a difficult one. Of course, I love a medal. It proves that I am worthy and I do good things. And the puppet show was interesting. You know, not great, but interesting.
What do you mean you can't decide? Look at me, look at them. I'm classy, they're furry. Don't be a ridiculous, pathetic bucket of useless, monkey-loving scrap metal.
I can't believe
What? I think I have decided. Really? Well, then say goodbye to your precious monkeys forever. Oh, come now. You're supposed to be a monkey-eating croco beast. Stop giggling.
Be careful on the floors, huh? I just waxed them.
what we got for a very special robot. That is why we say on Robot Appreciation Day, thank you very, 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 very much a lot.
That was so nice, my monkeys. You really do love me, don't you two? Now, who wants to play Monkey Smash Smash? I'm going to get you guys and smash your head. Just a couple of times, bang, bang, bang on the head. It won't hurt, it'll be fun time. The rocket monkeys, they're monkey space. They try to be heroes, but they're easy to replace. They're not the brightest and they're not the best. Okay, they're not the coolest and they have the stinky breath. Oh, you rocket monkeys, oh, you rocket monkeys, rocket monkeys, ooh, ooh, ooh. Give them a mission and they'll do their best, but best is right.